Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create campaigns in Zemers.com. First, all you need to do is go to Promotions, then make sure you are at the Campaigns tab, and then go to Create Discount Campaign. Once you're here, you have the following options. Campaign name, let's add campaign 1. Campaign description, this is my first campaign description. Then here you can select what products will be in your campaign. You can select all products or specific products. I'll go with all. Then the discount type, if you want to go with percentage or fixed amount. I go with percentage, let's say 30%. Now, the campaign duration, it can be custom or it can be forever. I'm going to go with forever, but if you go to custom, you have different options. You can have the start date and the end date and also the time zone of your client. I go with forever. Then visibility can be active or inactive. Let's edit active and save. Now you can see here's the campaigns created. You can see there are 1 campaigns, 1 active and 0 inactive. If you want to edit this campaign, just go at the edit button and you can deactivate or edit this campaign. Now what this does is if you go to product and open the product, you can see that there is 20% off edit pricing option to this product. So this is a nice way to create promo campaigns and to change the pricing for all products in one time easily from that dashboard. And that's it. I hope you enjoy.